guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam bag April 2020. I'm not going to be trying some of the products. I'm just going to show you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about the products, what they are. But I did open it before you guys, and I tried 2 of the products. I'm going to tell you which, and I'm going to tell you what I think about those products. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the mail piece that you received. Remember to always check inside that mail piece before opening the little glam bag. So you guys, because they usually like put stuff inside, you know, the actual mail piece. So don't throw that away. And if you guys don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription box that have various memberships. And this one, Ipsy Glam bag, is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products, and sometimes they do include 1 full-size product. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be opening the card and see the theme, and it's so cute. The theme for this month, it's called Full Bloom, so like spring, you know, that type of vibe with flowers. And then you see all the products that you got here. Okay, so I'm gonna open first the things that I have inside the actual mail piece. Okay, so here I got from Murad. Okay, this is a hydration nutrient charged water gel. Okay, so this is a moisturizer for the face. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a mini sample size, but I think it's really reasonable. I've tried Murad before and they're amazing. They give such a good hydration to the skin and makes your skin feel revived and young. I really like this brand. So I haven't tried. Oh my god, it smells really good. It smells like fresh, I would say like lavender, and it is kind of pink. It is really nice. This is awesome. Yay, I love Murad. And let me see what it says in the little card that I received. This is Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Winter's behind us, but that doesn't mean you should skip out on hydration. Switch to this lightweight water gel moisturizer. The oil-free formula is made with a comb of 5 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 5 peptides that help strengthen your skin's barriers and retain moisture. So it says the tip to use in the AM and PM, massage a dim-sized amount over your face and neck after cleansing. And the full-size price of this item is $60. Wow, I'm glad I got at least the sample size to, you know, to try it out. So that's great. Now let's see the bag. Oh my god, this bag, look at this, guys. It's so gorgeous. This gives me like, you know, like the spring type, the beach. Like, look at the little logo when you open it. This is kind of like those bags that you get to go to the beach. This is what it feels like. It's like leather. It's like purple, light purple color, and it has like little flowers in it. It's super cute. I really like. All the Ipsy bags are gorgeous. I love it. And this is the inside, just a normal beige inside with the logo of Ipsy right here. But it is super cute, super cute. Okay, let me take out the products that I received here. Okay, the first thing that I did try, and I really liked it, this is from Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. It is a primer, and it has the consistency of like a gel, and I believe it's oil-free. I'm sorry, no, it's not oil-free. It's kind of like oily, because I think it's meant for dry skin, so it really helps to hydrate the skin. I tried it and I liked it. And my skin automatically consumes it because I have really dry skin, so this is really nice for dry skin people. And it has like some like sparkling in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really nice. It has like a little shiny, so like it makes your skin shine on the bottom of the foundation. And I'm gonna read what it says. And it's great because it has vitamin C. So it's Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. It says, are you new to primer? This one helps keep your makeup looking fresh without fading or getting splotchy. The silky texture smooths the look of pores and is infused with vitamins to brighten and nourish your skin over time. So it just says to pump a dime-sized amount into your fingertips and smooth over face before makeup. And the retail value of the full size is $46. And I think it's a decent size that you could use various times, because for primers you only need like a little bit, especially just put it on the actual parts of the faces that you need the hydration. Okay, next product I received is a mini eyeshadow palette, which I did try it, and I have some of the shades here with me right now, on me. I'm gonna show you guys. I really like these shades. They blend nicely, and it is from Oryza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, and it has 4 different shades. Let me open it for you guys. It's really pretty. Okay, so it has a matte and then 3 shimmers, and the shimmers are different colors. It's like a brown, a dark brown, and one of them is kind of like rose gold. So the one that I used today is this matte and this darker brown shimmer on my eyes. I don't know if you could tell. I use of course I use from other palette to prep my eyes and everything, but I did use this for the outer corner of my eye, and I use this one for the inner corner of my eye, and it blends super nicely. And you actually can use these shimmer shades with your finger or with a brush. They apply really well on the eye. Okay, so let me just swatch it for you guys here on my hand. I'm not sure if you can see, but they're really pretty. Okay, so let me read what it says. It's the Oryza Beauty Nude Shimmer Contour Eyeshadow Palette. It's perfect for travel, and like I mentioned, it has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made from a rice-based ingredient, as well as oils, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. Wear them alone or together, they last all day without creasing or fading. And the retail value of this full-size palette is $19.95. Okay, great. Next product that I did use and I really liked it is a bronzer. It's from Space Case Cosmetics. I've tried this brand before for eyeshadows, and they're really good. They blend nicely, they're very pigmented, and they go really smooth and well on the skin. Okay, so this is the shade I got. It's a bronzer, and it's called Fakecation on Mars bronzer, and it has like a little shimmer. So I really like this shade of bronzer. It's really nice, and it blends nicely, as you can see on my skin. And it says Space Case Fakecation Bronzer. Sure, summer's not here quite yet, but that doesn't mean you can't up your glow. This smooth powder bronzer will give you just a touch of radiance you crave. It's got a subtle shimmer that adds instant luminosity to your look, and it blends and builds without looking streaky or cakey. And then it says that the retail value of the full size is $9. Okay, and the last product I received is a brush. I didn't use it for this look, but it's from Araceli, and I believe this is a blending brush. This is what it looks like. Sorry, I believe this is a full size. Yeah, this is a full size item. And Araceli Beauty Grande blending brush. And then the retail value, it is a full size, yeah, and then it's $14, the retail value of this brush. So yes, I'm excited. I got all the things that I think fit my profile really well. They really get my profile all the time, and I really like all the items. Everything works great on me, especially on my dry skin, the products I received. And yes, that's it for everything I got for my bag. And just stay tuned for the other videos I'm gonna be doing when I receive my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for liking, for subscribing, for staying there with me through this journey and supporting me. And yes, see you guys next video. And if you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified when all my future uploads. So I'll see you guys next video. Please stay safe. Bye.